There's the champion, just the perfect one, J-Bird, sorry. J-Bird is the one in the knee pads. He is the defending champion. There's the Point Championship here in TOH, where everything is alternative. And the challenger is the destroyer, David Perry. And here we go. Oh my God! Oh my God! That was unbelievable. I never thought that this match would get hardcore. And if it was going to get hardcore, I never thought it would get hardcore so fast. There's the dog. She's trying to run in and save her owner, J-Bird. And the perfect one is taking a beating here as the destroyer keeps bashing his head right into the ring. That is steel, folks. Oh my God. They are beating the hell out of each other. And there's the destroyer showing no respect for his opponent, pointing to his girlfriend there. And the perfect one, J-Bird, attempting to get back in the ring. Oh, and the destroyer hits a perfect dropkick. And there's the big ball. 1, 2. Oh, and the perfect one kicks out. There you see the referee. His name is Will in the white shirt. And the destroyer just putting the beating on the perfect one, J-Bird. Oh, he hits him with a huge leg drop. Now, if he were anything like Hulk Hogan, this match would be over right now. Oh, he's going to work on J-Bird's knee. Oh, he's doing the figure 4 on the perfect one. The referee's gonna have to ask the perfect one if he gives up here. DJ David Perry, he's applying all the pressure in the world. But the perfect one, he almost had it over. But the destroyer brought him back. Oh, the perfect one, J-Bird, he gets it over. Oh, destroyer David Perry, aka DJ, he gets the rope break. Notice that the destroyer David Perry, he's wearing one black sock and one white sock. Oh, a huge DDT by the perfect one. Is he gonna do it? He's known for his high flying ability. Oh, some sort of shooting star flying headbutt there. And the perfect. Oh my God! The destroyer spears the hell out of the perfect one, but the perfect one prevails. He gets the shoulder up. Destroyer got J-Bird up, and he hits him with a sidewalk slam. Gonna go for the pin. 1, 2. J-Bird gets the shoulder up. DJ disagreeing with the ref, but there's J-Bird. He's got the roll. This could be it. What? Oh! DJ kicks out at the last second. It's J-Bird with that drive-by type kick there. Oh, and he hits him with a drop kick straight to the side of the face. Going for the pin. 1, 2. Oh, somehow, J-Bird gets a shoulder up. And the destroyer going out of the ring, he's talking shit to the referee. And he's grabbing that piece of plywood there. Oh, he's setting up. He's making some kind of little table out of it. Right up against the ring. That could be dangerous. And he's just having his way with the perfect one, J-Bird, here tonight. March 6th, Friday night. And you people are witnessing history. Oh, and he hits him with a senton. And he goes with that 1, 2. J-Bird gets his shoulder up. Oh, J-Bird on the offensive, somehow gets the kick in, and now he's going for the suplex, the perfect suplex by the perfect one, J-Bird. Oh, some kind of spinning elbow drop there. Oh, but the destroyer gets a shoulder up. What is going to happen here? Oh, huge clothesline. This match has been everything we thought it was going to be. so far, and it's not over yet, ladies and gentlemen. He got him hooked in the super. Oh my God! He hooked him with the fisherman, and he hit him with the suplex. Shades of Mr. Perfect Kurt Hennig by the perfect one, Jaybird there. Oh, he got him in that ankle lock. Tribute to Jaybird's favorite wrestler, Kurt Angle. He's got him in the ankle lock, but the Destroyer gets out of it. And somehow, he takes him off his feet, and he's gonna put him. He puts him on the sharpshooter. The Destroyer's got the sharpshooter on the perfect one. I can't believe this is happening. I can't believe this is going down. Oh my God! Is Jaybird gonna? Oh! Somehow Jaybird gets the Destroyer, David Perry, off of him. This has been one hell of a match so far. Oh, he hits him with a huge drop kick there. What is going to happen? Sound is me lighting up a cigarette. Oh, and they both hit the clothesline on each other, and they are both down. It's about time for the referee to start that 10 count. He's at 2, 3. Oh, but Jaybird gets it to his feet, and he starts stopping the Destroyer. Oh, a low blow by the Destroyer. Shades of the Nature Boy Ric Flair and his dirty tactics. What is the Destroyer gonna do to him here? He's gonna go for the rock bottom. Oh my God! Oh my God! The Destroyer! Rock bottom, the perfect one, Jaybird. Right off the ring. Right through the table. Oh my God! This has been one hell of a match. And what is he doing here? And he's gonna make his girlfriend help him do something here. I'm gonna try to keep the camera. I'm gonna try to keep it to where I can get everything. You might miss a little something. DJ, the Destroyer, David Perry, taunting with the chair. What is he gonna do? Don't you think the perfect one's already built enough? And he bashes him with the chair. And he bashes him again. And again. The Doc throws the chair down with brute force. David Perry pushing the referee out of the way. The referee getting physical. He's pushing David Perry back. David Perry, he is a very dangerous individual. You see what he did to Jaybird there. And there's David Perry. Oh, it looks like he's going to set up another table. Ladies and gentlemen, I have to get down there for this action. Oh, and they set up another table. What is Jaybird gonna do to the Destroyer? Jaybird throws David Perry right back up on the ring there. Oh, Jaybird gonna do it to David Perry. Oh my God! Oh my God! David Perry might be dead. We need a medic! Oh my God! Referee checking on the Destroyer. Starting to stir there. The Jaybird right back on the offensive. He hits him with a piece of that table. Picks up the chair. Oh my God! This is beating the hell out of DJ the Destroyer. DJ tried to get a little blow there, but he didn't get all of it. Oh. Bashes the Destroyer's head right up in the ring there. Pure steel. Oh, Jaybird was going to do something big there, but went for the kick. Oh, German suplex. Shades of the late great Chris Benoit. He's gonna go for more high flying. There's the perfect shooting star press 1. DJ has his shoulder up. Obviously the wind was knocked out of DJ. 1, 2, 3. Oh! I thought it was over. DJ gets his shoulder up just at the last second. J-Bear doesn't know what he is going to have to do to put the Destroyer David Perry away. I kind of hate to around this table. Oh my God! The perfect one, J-Bud, is dead. Now you see the Destroyer taunting in the ring. He is dead. The Destroyer trying to pick up the lifeless J-Bird. Tosses him back in the ring.
Chant, baby.
Here he goes. Oh, but J-Bird, he's gonna go for the spike pile driver. And he hits it. 1, 2. Oh! The Destroyer kicks out at the last second. That is J-Bird's finisher. Nobody is kicked out of that. What is J-Bird doing? He's getting the chair back. But DJ, he grabs the chair and he just bashes the perfect one, J-Bird. J-Bird falls right off of the ring. We have to see this. The perfect one. The Destroyer, David Perry, taking the perfect one. He's getting him back in the ring. David Perry, he's going to go for the pedigree. This is his finisher. And he hits it. He hits it. He tosses the chair from the ring. 1, 2, 3. Oh my God. There's a new champion. New champion. The Destroyer, David Perry. New TOH Point Champion. Here in TOH, where everything wrestling is alternative. And what's the Destroyer going to do now? Oh, and he bashes the former champ right in the face with his newly crowned championship. There's your new champion, ladies and gentlemen. That was the main event. Thank you for joining us at TOH, where wrestling is alternative.